Listen up, it's the secret sauce. We also have secret sauce, and I'm just wondering, do you have one tip for maybe somebody who's already going that, something maybe that's working well for you guys that you would recommend? Hey, if you're doing pickup and delivery, you want to step your game up a notch. Here's one tip for you.
Delegate everything. Something that I've struggled with, and you reach a scale where you can't do everything. You reach a scale where now the leadership team can't do everything. The management team has to take it, and they're pushing things down to the staff supervisors, and they're pushing things down to the hourly workers. So I think this applies across all businesses. This is more of a realization for me in the last 12 months is that most of our problems have been caused by me being in the way. So next chapter of the business for us is me getting out of the way and letting all the folks that we've hired do their job.
Yeah, I love that. And what I really like about that too is that, as somebody who, says that you're thinking about, hey, where are we going with pick up and delivery? How are we getting to 50 locations and scaling all that out? That by delegating allows you to tinker with those ideas and to ruminate on those ideas and to research on those ideas. And that in turn will get you to those goals much, much faster than if you're cleaning up your laundromat or, whatever.
Yeah, absolutely. We like to let everyone kind of, if you look at what we're doing as just a big way to gather data on what's working and not working, is that the folks interpreting the data have to be out of the data. We have to let them go, let them do everything. And then we're going to step back and analyze what's working. It's counterintuitive to how we got here, but it's been critical in the last 12 months. And then the traction we've been gaining since then.
Dude, well, that's great. Incredible secret sauce.